Okay, we're going to start by getting the base of the exponents the same. So for number 1, the 2 is going to stay a 2. So 2 to the 2x minus 7 equals 2 to the third because 8 is 2. Drop the bases and solve the exponents. So 2x minus 7 equals 3, 2x equals 10, x equals 5. For the next one, get the bases the same. So my base is going to be 3. So 3 to the 2x minus 5 equals 3 squared. I'm going to put that x minus 1 right next to it. Drop the 3's. We're going to solve the exponents. So now I'm going to have 2x minus 5 equals, distribute, 2x minus 2, no solution. Number 3, we're going to get the bases the same, so 5 stays 5, 25 is 5 squared. So we're going to drop the bases and solve the exponents. So 2x minus 6 equals 2, 2x equals 8, x equals 4. The next one, we're going to get the bases the same, so we're going to get it down to 2. So 2 to the third power is 8, and 2 squared is 4. I'm going to drop the bases and solve the exponents. Don't forget to distribute. So 6x plus 6 equals 2x minus 8. Minus my 2x. So I get 4x equals negative 14. X is going to be negative 14 over 4, which is negative 7 over 2, or negative 3.5. For the next one, get the bases the same. So 9 is going to be my base. So 9 to the 3x minus 1, 81 is 9 squared. Put that 2x minus 4 here. So 3x minus 1 equals distribute 4x minus 8 minus 3x plus the 8. So I get 7 equals x. Number 6, get the bases the same. The base is going to be 6. So 6 squared is 36. Keep that 2x plus 5 there. Drop those bases. So I get 2x minus 3 equals, don't forget to distribute that 2, 4x plus 5, minus my 2x, minus my 10. So negative 13 equals 2x. X is going to be negative 13 over 2. Alright, so use the change of base formula. So we must put this in log form first. So log 314 equals x. Log answer divided by log base. Get your calculator. So if we round that to the 10th, x equals 2.4. For the next one, put it in log form. So log base answer equals exponent. We're going to do our change of base. So log answer divided by log base. Now look at this is equal to 3x. So in order to get x by itself, we're going to divide that answer by 3. So in my calculator, I'm going to do log 284 divided by log 14, enter, and then divided by 3. So I get 0.71. We'll go 2 decimal places. All right, number 9. Again, let's put this guy in log form. Log base answer equals exponent. Change a base formula. Log answer divided by log base equals 2x. Notice there's a 2 attached to my x, so I have to divide both sides by 2. So in my calculator, log 110 divided by log 3, enter, and then divide that by 2. So it's 2.14. All right, we'll keep going. All right, so my first step is to get that exponent by itself. So 10 to what power gives you 1,000? This we can solve automatically. It's 3. Next one we cannot. So log base answer equals exponent. So I do my change of base, log 143 over log 15. Now notice that that's equal to 3x plus 1. So I'm going to minus 1 from that and divide that answer by 3 to get x.